Okay, we hey you guys, it's CharleeMarBeauty here with another beat. We tuning out. Sorry about that. Conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you would treat me. Okay, you guys, so I already did my eyebrows, and then I started out with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So that's where we're at right now. It makes me feel I'm not a man at all. Okay, so right here I'm gonna go ahead and set my lids. I'm using the Morphe setting powder and Rich Banana. And I know you're probably thinking I ain't worth shit, but I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to have you in my arms. And I know for a fact who you were into we are. This Nivea cream the last week. Okay, right here I'm going in with a damp beauty blender from Real Technique. So it's damp. It's very important it's damp, you guys. You'll blend everything out nicely. Alright. Okay, you guys, I'm sorry. I had my mirror up the whole time so you couldn't see how I was doing it, but it's pretty simple. You can see the layout of the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Okay, so I went in with the Warrior 2 Juvia's palette in the shade Dark Brown to contour around my face. I normally use Ebony, the Fenty Magic Stick. But it's dark, so for my birthday I'm gonna find a new contour stick, something that gives off brown and red and not so much dark brown and black. I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you treat me like he did. I'll just be jamming out, you guys. Okay, right now I'm going on with my NARS foundation in the shade Macau. Watch me blend this out, y'all. I guess I couldn't handle it. Oh. And I know you're probably thinking I ain't worth it, but I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to have you in my arms. And I know for a fact who you are into we are. Don't think you care about me. Don't feel I care about you. But you don't care about nobody. Nobody but you. Don't think you care about me. Don't feel I care about you. But you don't care about nobody. Nobody. Wish I had this time. Yes, yes, yes. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do y'all see that? She is beautifully blended. I understood the assignment. Yes. Yes, I'm loving it, you guys. Blend, blend, blend. Blend it out.
Have you in my palm? Don't know for a fact who we were, it do we are. Don't think you care about me. Oh girl, I care about you. But you don't care about nobody.
Okay, so now I'm going back in with that Morphe setting powder in the shade Banana Rich Banana. And I'm basically going to go over all my highlighted, concealed areas. All right.
I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you would treat me like he did.
Okay, right here I'm going back in with the Warrior 2 by Juvia's Dark Brown eyeshadow color to just basically, you know, darken contour my nose and my cheekbones and around my face and my little chin to carve all that out, you know? Make it pop. Check me out.
Bring you any harm, and I take it all back just to have you in my palms. And I know for a fact who we were, it do we are. Don't think you care about me. Oh girl, I care about you. But you don't care about nobody. Nobody but you. Don't think you care.
All right, now to make sure we really understood the assignment, we're gonna go ahead and smooth out all those fine lines with the MAC Studio Fix NW45 foundation powder. This is the magic trick, you guys. Test it out.
You take it.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go on with the LA Girl Strobe Light. It's not a bronzer, it's a highlight. It's a little gold glitter palette. And then I'm gonna set my face with the e.l.f. Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist up to 16-hour wear setting spray. All right.
Gonna be when you tell me goodbye. You're probably thinking I ain't worth shit, but I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to have you in my palm. And I know for a fact who we were, it do we are. Don't think you care about me. Oh girl, I care about you. But you don't care about nobody. Nobody but you. Don't think you care about me. Oh girl, I care about you. But you don't care about nobody. Nobody but you.
Okay, so I'm gonna go on with my everyday lip combo pencil by Ruby Kiss in the shade Dark Brown. And then I'm gonna top that off with my Huda Beauty Staycation lipstick. And then I'm gonna put on my Mariah lashes. And that's pretty much the look, you guys. Now the most important part is for you to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right. Hey y'all, I got a new video out. Check me out on YouTube, CharleeMarBeauty. I got a nice chocolate dark brown smoke eye going on. Real natural everyday look. So like, comment, and subscribe.